The main office water fountain.
Every day, students leave class on a quest to find the best water. Join us on their journey throughout the school.
The WAD water fountain.
It's just lead, don't worry about it.
This fountain is known for its lead content in the water, and you can taste it.
Yeah, you can taste it.
The second floor water fountain. This water fountain is sure to have long lines, so most times it's best to just steer clear. The cafeteria fountain. With overpriced water, this fountain is sure to rip you off. On the quest for good water, all adventurers are destined to come back to the main office fountain with crisp, cold water, no lines in sight, and no price tag.
Quality.
This water is pure quality.